Garn. Alright, so you guys, I'm going to be dyeing my hair blonde today. We're going to try to transform this shit to blonde. Just let you guys know I was dabbing on some King Garden. This shit is bomb. I just want to show you guys this. For all my 420 friendly subscribers, this right here, can you guys even see it? This right here is the shit. It's pretty damn good. But anyways, we're gonna be dyeing my hair with Hicolor Blondes Vanilla Champagne. Let me make sure this is focused. Sorry about Jerry Springer's in the background. And I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looks like outside. And then after I show you guys what my hair looks like outside, I'm gonna dye it and show you guys the results. I'm not gonna I'm gonna slap the dye on, like just slap the whole shit on. I'm not gonna do the roots last and do this part first and the roots last. No, I'm just gonna mix this. I have 5 tubes. I'm gonna mix all 5 tubes with the 40 volume developer, and then we're gonna put it in my hair, slap it all in like bam, and leave it in for about an hour, and then I'm gonna rinse it out and show you guys what it looks like and how my hair turned out, and hopefully it turns out good. So hang tight. All right, you guys, let me show you guys what my hair looked like. This is what it turned out looking like. I hope it's focusing. So I did put foils in my hair, and we left it in for about an hour. And I only did half my hair with the Loreal Hicolors vanilla champagne, or whatever it's called, you guys know. And I forgot, but we know that it will turn the virgin hair a blonde. You know, if I process my hair like 2 or 3 more times with that, it will probably turn like a really pretty blonde. But we know it does not lift the other Hicolors out of your hair. Yes, my hair is dried right now. I didn't put any hair product in there because I want to show you guys the true color of what it turned out to be, because hair product will, you know, darken the hair a little bit. So and underneath I didn't do anything to it because I actually ran out of dye, and I was thinking about processing this with the ion. Well, we're gonna see what I do with that because I don't even know yet. But I hope this video can help someone out. Peace out, toodles, and happy trails to all my happy trailers out there. Bye.